Hi everyone, this is Will from WatchObsession. Today I'm going to go over the basics on how to change a watch strap. I'll be focusing on two-piece watch straps with either regular spring bars or quick release spring bars. To start off with, changing a watch strap is an easy job with only one tool required. One of these. It's called a spring bar tool. Now they come in a few different shapes and sizes, but any of them will do the job. You'll also need a soft surface to work on. I like these case cushions as they let the watch drape down either side, making it easier to access the spring bars. But any soft surface will do. You just need to make sure your watch is firmly in place and you aren't going to scratch it. Start by making sure your work area is clean and has good lighting. I like to have a little pot or a shallow lid to hand to put any spring bars or screws in so they don't get lost. We'll start by removing your old strap. For regular spring bars, start by placing your watch face down on your soft surface. Then, holding your watch firmly in place, insert the forked end of your tool into the gap between the watch and the strap. Feel for the spring bar and then gently compress it away from the watch's lugs until you can slide the strap out of the way. Finish this by repeating for the other side. If you have a watch with drilled lugs, you may have spring bars without shoulders. If this is the case, simply use the pointed end of your tool and insert it into the hole to compress the spring bar. For quick release spring bars, you don't need a tool at all. Simply place the watch face down on your soft surface, and while holding the watch firmly in place, squeeze the lever with your fingernail and slide the strap out of the way. Once your strap has been removed, it's time to fit your new one. If your new strap has regular spring bars, start by fitting one side into place. Then, holding the watch firmly, compress the spring bar with your tool. The strap can then be moved into place, securing the spring bar into the hole and removing the tool. For quick release spring bars, the method is the opposite of removal. Start by putting the spring bar into place at the opposite side of the lever. Then, holding the watch firmly, compress the lever with your fingernail and move the strap into place, releasing the lever to finish. If you don't get the spring bar into the hole on the first try, don't worry, you can often align it by gently agitating the strap until the spring bar clicks into place. Once fitted, it's always a good idea to give the strap a quick tug to make sure it's secure. And that's it. Your new watch strap is fitted. But before you go, we do have some extra tips to make the job a bit easier. If this is your first time changing a watch strap, you may want to take extra precautions in protecting your watch. You can actually use painter's tape on the backs of the lugs as some added protection from scratches. Painter's tape is great for this as it doesn't leave any residue on the watch. Once your strap is removed, but before you fit your new strap, it's a good time to clean the inside of the watch lugs, as this is a tough area to clean when the strap is in place. Lastly, if you need to learn what size watch strap to buy, we do have a full video and blog post on how to size your watch. Click this link to see the full video. If you have a watch with fixed bars, screw-in bars, or another fitting method, there may be information in this video that can help, but we also have other videos on our channel. I'll leave a link in the description to our full tutorials playlist. I hope you found this video useful. I'll leave links in the description for all the tools you've seen today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more watch content. See you next time.